How to go full screen on TradingView. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're using TradingView and want to go full screen on a chart, then here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the TradingView application on your smartphone or tablets or even computer. Just open the app and log into your account. Now go ahead and select open a chart you want to view full screen on. And now from this page, if you see at the bottom of the screen, you'll see this little full screen icon. Just tap on that and you'll be able to go to full screen mode on TradingView. This will give you a larger workspace for analysis, and there you have it. Now you can enjoy a bigger workspace and analyze the markets with fewer distractions. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.